In this video, we'll show you how to find a list of unpaid invoices so you can follow up on the customers who owe you money. To start, make your way to the web portal. Click on the Invoices tab on the main navigation bar. On this page, there are different tabs for outstanding, paid, reconciled, draft, and archived invoices. To get a list of outstanding invoices, simply click on that tab. You'll be able to see everything from the date you invoiced to how much is outstanding, whether there has been any partial payment or not, and how many days ago you issued the invoice. Clicking on the invoice number opens it up in more detail. When a customer is paid, you can add their payment either from the right-hand side panel here or directly from the list here. And that's it. If you want this data downloaded, you can always click on the Export Data button to download all your invoice data in a CSV spreadsheet format. Remember, you can set up automated invoice reminders to have Gas Engineer software chase unpaid invoices for you. You can schedule up to 3 separate automatic invoice reminders. More often than not, these reminders can do the trick without you having to lift a finger. To turn these on, you simply need to head to your settings in the web portal. We've done a separate video for that, which you can find the link for in the description. That's it for this video. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us by ringing 0207 129 7058 or emailing support@gasengineersoftware.co.uk.